Most men miss the moment, not because she didn't want them, but because they never saw the signs. And that is what hurts the most. Not rejection, not failure, but the quiet realization that she was there in front of you, giving you chances, and you froze. You replay it later. The way she touched your arm slightly longer than necessary, the way she leaned closer than she needed to, the way her fingers lingered just a second too long. In the moment, it felt small, almost meaningless, but looking back, you realize it was everything. The truth is, women rarely say what they feel. They don't announce attraction. They express it through subtle signals, especially through touch. And if you don't understand those signals, you miss the moment every single time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. 6 subtle touch signals that reveal when she wants you to make a move. Once you see them, you won't hesitate the same way again. Because this isn't about luck or guessing, it's about finally understanding the language she has been speaking all along. And once you understand it, everything between you starts to shift completely forever. Over time, you start to notice a pattern that most men completely overlook. Attraction is rarely spoken out loud. It's not logical, it's not direct, and it's definitely not obvious unless you know what you're looking for. Women don't communicate desire the way men do. They don't say it plainly. They express it emotionally, and more importantly, physically. And once you understand that, everything begins to make sense in a way it never did before. The problem is, these signals are subtle by design. They're not meant to be loud or undeniable. They're meant to be felt, picked up on, responded to in the moment. That's why most men miss them. Not because they aren't happening, but because they aren't paying attention at the level required to see them. Touch, in particular, is one of the strongest indicators of attraction. It bypasses words completely. And when a woman chooses to touch you, especially in specific ways, she is telling you far more than she ever would verbally. The first sign is something so small that most men completely ignore it, and yet it carries more meaning than almost anything else. It's the lingering touch. Not the touch itself, but the way it stays just a moment longer than it needs to. You're talking and she places a hand on your arm to emphasize a point, but instead of pulling away immediately, she lets it rest there for a second, maybe 2. Or she reaches over to fix your collar, brushing something off your shirt that probably wasn't even there, and her fingers don't rush away. They pause, almost as if she's deciding whether to stay or go. In the moment, it feels natural, easy to dismiss. You might tell yourself she's just being friendly, just expressive, just comfortable. But here's what most men fail to understand. Women are incredibly aware of physical boundaries. They don't accidentally linger. They don't unintentionally hold contact longer than necessary, especially with a man they're not attracted to. That extra second is not random, it's a quiet signal. What she's really doing is testing the space between you. She's seeing how it feels to be physically connected, even in the smallest way. She's checking your reaction, your energy, your comfort level. Does he pull away? Does he freeze? Or does he stay present and grounded? That lingering moment is her way of opening the door without saying a word. And if you're not paying attention, you'll miss it. You'll treat it like nothing. But if you recognize it for what it is, you start to realize that attraction doesn't begin with bold moves. It begins with these quiet, almost invisible invitations that most men never even notice. The second sign is even more revealing because it doesn't happen just once. It repeats. She keeps finding small, almost playful reasons to touch you again and again. Maybe she lightly hits your arm when you tease her, nudges you when she laughs, or gives you a gentle push like she's reacting to something you said. On the surface, it feels harmless, almost childlike, easy to brush off as personality or habit. But when it keeps happening, in different moments, in slightly different ways, it stops being random. Repetition is where intention becomes clear. 1 touch can be accidental, 2 might be coincidence. But when it becomes a pattern, that's when you need to start paying attention, because what she's doing is gradually lowering the physical barrier between you and her. She's getting comfortable with contact, normalizing it, making it feel natural so that when the moment comes, it doesn't feel sudden or forced. Most men completely misread this. They either ignore it or they overthink it. They sit there wondering, is she just friendly? While she's already showing them in real time that she's open to more. These playful touches are her way of building connection without risking rejection. It's safe, it's light, but it's also intentional. And here's the key. If she wasn't attracted to you, she wouldn't keep creating these moments. She would maintain distance. She would keep things neutral. But when she's repeatedly finding reasons to touch you, even in small ways, she's slowly inviting you closer. The question is, are you aware enough to recognize it, or are you still waiting for something more obvious that may never come? The third sign is where things shift from subtle to undeniable if you know how to read it. It's when she touches you while holding eye contact. Not a quick glance, not distracted, but direct, steady eye contact that lingers while her hand is still on you. This is no longer casual. This is deliberate. Think about it.
Most people avoid intense eye contact unless there's meaning behind it. Now combine that with physical touch. She's not just closing the distance physically, she's doing it emotionally at the same time. You might be in the middle of a conversation, and as she laughs or responds, her hand finds your arm or your shoulder, and instead of looking away, she stays locked in with you. There's a pause, a moment where everything slows down, even if it's just for a second. This is where many men feel something shift but don't trust it. They second guess it, tell themselves it's nothing, and the moment passes. But this combination of touch and eye contact is one of the clearest signals of attraction you will ever get without words. It carries intention, it carries awareness. She knows exactly what she's doing in that moment. What makes it powerful is the contrast. Casual touch can be dismissed, friendly behavior can be explained away. But when she pairs physical contact with direct eye contact, she's aligning both her body and her attention towards you. That alignment is not accidental. It's a signal that she's not just comfortable, she's engaged, present, and emotionally connected in that moment. And if you're paying attention, you can feel it. The fourth sign is where the dynamic quietly flips, and most men still miss it because they're waiting for something obvious instead of reading what's already happening. You initiate a small, respectful touch. Maybe your hand rests lightly on her arm, her shoulder, or even her waist for a brief moment, and she doesn't pull away. She doesn't tense up, doesn't create distance, doesn't subtly step back. She stays exactly where she is. That stillness is the signal. Attraction isn't always about what she does. Sometimes it's about what she allows. If a woman is not comfortable, you will feel it immediately. She'll shift her body, break contact, create space without needing to say a word. But when she remains relaxed and present, she's giving you silent permission to continue within that space. This is where confidence becomes important, not aggressive, not forceful, but aware. You're not pushing forward blindly. You're responding to what's already being allowed. And most men hesitate here because they're afraid of misreading the moment. But in reality, the moment has already been defined for you. She's not just tolerating your touch. She's choosing not to reject it. And that choice matters more than any verbal confirmation. It tells you that the barrier you thought existed isn't there in the way you imagined. When you start to understand this, you stop looking for perfect signals and start recognizing real ones. Attraction isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet, expressed in comfort, in stillness, in the absence of resistance. And if you can read that correctly, you move forward with a level of calm certainty that most men never develop. The fifth sign is when she doesn't just touch you, she moves into your space while doing it. And this changes everything. Personal space is something people naturally protect, especially around someone they're unsure about. But when a woman is attracted to you, that invisible boundary starts to disappear. You'll notice her sitting closer than necessary, her body angled toward you, her shoulder brushing yours even when there's room to sit apart. She leans in when she talks, not because she can't hear you, but because she wants to be closer. And when that closeness is combined with touch, even something small, it creates a completely different kind of energy. It's not casual anymore, it's intentional proximity. She's choosing to reduce the distance between you, physically and emotionally, at the same time. That reduction of space naturally builds tension, the kind you can feel without anything being said. Most men ignore this because they're focused on obvious signals. They're waiting for something undeniable, something clear and direct. But attraction rarely works that way. It builds quietly through moments like this where the gap between you disappears and something unspoken starts to form. When she's comfortable being that close, when she's allowing her body to exist within your space without hesitation, she's showing openness, she's showing trust. And more importantly, she's creating an environment where escalation feels natural, not forced. The tension is already there. The closeness has already been established. All that's left is whether you recognize it or let the moment pass like it was nothing at all. The sixth sign is the one that changes everything, and it's also the one most men freeze in. It's when she touches you and then nothing is said. No words, no distraction, no immediate pullback, just presence. Her hand rests on you, maybe your arm, your leg, your shoulder, and instead of continuing the conversation, there's a pause, a quiet moment where both of you are aware of what's happening, even if neither of you says it out loud. This is where tension peaks, because silence removes all the noise. There's no humor to hide behind, no conversation to dilute the moment. It's just the connection, raw and undeniable. And if she's still there, still touching you, still close, she's not doing it accidentally. She's fully aware. She's feeling it just as much as you are. Most men panic here. Their mind starts racing. What if I'm wrong? What if I ruin this? So they break the moment. They say something unnecessary. They pull away. They retreat back into safety. And just like that, the tension disappears, the opportunity fades. But this is often the exact moment she's waiting for you to act. Not aggressively, not recklessly, but with awareness. She's already crossed the line emotionally and physically. She's created the space. All she's doing now is seeing if you can meet her there. Because attraction isn't always about building something from nothing. Sometimes it's about recognizing when everything is already in place. And in that quiet moment where touch lingers and words disappear, she's showing you more clearly than ever that she wants you to step forward. Most men don't miss these signs because they're invisible. They miss them because of what's happening inside their own mind in that moment. The first is fear of rejection. Even when the signal is there, even when something feels different, there's a voice that says, what if you're wrong? And that single thought is enough to freeze everything. So instead of acting, you wait. And waiting is usually where the opportunity disappears. Then comes overthinking. You start analyzing every detail, trying to find certainty in a situation that was never meant to be logical. Maybe she's just friendly. Maybe she does this with everyone. And the more you think, the further you move away from the moment itself. You stop feeling what's happening and start trying to prove it. Lack of experience makes it worse. If you haven't seen these patterns before, you don't trust them. You need something obvious, something undeniable, but attraction rarely shows up that way. It's subtle, layered, and easy to miss if you're not used to reading it. And then there's what holds most men back, the hesitation that comes from trying to be too safe, too respectful, too careful, what people call being a nice guy. But what it really is fear disguised as politeness. The truth is, women don't expect you to be told what to do. They expect you to understand the moment. And if you can't read it, you don't just miss the signal, you miss her completely. So what do you actually do when you start noticing these signs? This is where most men make the second mistake. They either freeze or they overcorrect and move too aggressively. Both come from the same place, uncertainty. But the truth is, you don't need to force anything. The moment is already building itself. The key is to respond, not react. If she's touching you lightly, you don't suddenly escalate to something intense. You meet her where she is and move just slightly forward. If she leans in, you don't pull away or rush in. You stay present in that space and allow the tension to grow naturally. You mirror her energy, not copy it exactly, but match the level of comfort she's already showing. Confidence here is quiet. It's not about bold moves or dramatic actions. It's about being grounded enough to stay in the moment without overthinking it. You trust what you're feeling instead of trying to analyze it. And most importantly, you remain present. Because these moments don't last forever. They exist briefly and then they're gone. It's not about chasing them. It's about recognizing them when they appear and having the awareness to respond in a way that feels natural, not forced. At the end of the day, nothing here is complicated once you truly see it. Women don't walk up and announce their attraction. They don't spell it out in clear, logical words. They show it in small moments, in subtle touches, in the way they close the distance without saying a thing. And once you understand that, you stop waiting for certainty and start recognizing what's already happening in front of you. Every sign we talked about builds on the same idea. Attraction is rarely loud. It's quiet, layered, and easy to miss if you're not paying attention. But when you start noticing it, everything changes. You feel more in control, more aware, and far less confused about what's actually going on. Because the truth is simple. The moment is there. Most men just miss it. And you don't have to be one of them anymore. If this opened your eyes even a little, make sure you stay around. There's a lot more to this than just a few signs, and the more you understand it, the more natural it becomes. Like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.